What is up, 8080 fam? It is just me today and Nate behind the camera. Casey had to go look at another giveaway car potentially that we're gonna be doing. So, welcome DCG82, our Ford Raptor that we bought brand new with literally 300 miles on the dash. And one of you has a chance to take this home with $60,000 in cash. And the best part about this truck is it has a full warranty and we did some cool mods to it. So let's get to it. So let's go over the most noticeable thing. Bespoke Auto House. Gabe wrapped this in matte ice titanium red from KPMF. Shout out to Ryan from KPMF for sending us this roll. This looks so good on the truck. And another thing that we did to the front is we switched out the front bumper to an ADD front bumper with the Baja lights. This thing looks absolutely amazing and gives it more an aggressive look, and it just, it looks so good. So when we bought this Raptor, it came with a 37 package already, but the best part about it is it came with these Weld wheels already. So this is a 37-inch tire on 20 wheels, and it gives it a nice aggressive stance that just really has that nice poke. Absolutely perfect. So the Raptors already have amazing suspension. We have the Fox suspension in the Raptors, and you don't really have to do anything too crazy to this. But what we did is we did an RPG adjustable spring collar kit to level it out. So we did 3 inches, and it gives it that nice aggressive stance where it just looks beefy on the road. I mean, this thing, when you stand up to it, I'm 6 foot, 6'1", depending on the shoes that I wear. This thing is so freaking tall, and it is just so aggressive. Of course, since we did the ADD front bumper, we had to do the rear bumper with the ADD plus the Baja lights. This thing looks so good. A lot more aggressive, a lot more sleek, just adds a nice little touch to the rear. So one of my favorite things about the Ford Raptor, besides all the mods that we did to the outside, is actually the inside. The comfortability of the Raptor is absolutely top notch. I love the heated and cool seats. You have so much room in the back for your friends, your kids, groceries, whatever you got. And then also in the bed space, you have so much bed space back there. You have heated steering wheel. The interior of this Raptor is top notch. So last but not least, I forgot one thing, my favorite mod on this truck. The bullet antenna from 8080, and they are live on the website right now. So if you got a truck, I recommend getting that thing and putting that on your truck because it adds about, 10 to 20 more horsepower. All right, guys, so that was a quick run around of our 2025 Ford Raptor. We didn't have to do too much to it because what more do you have to do to a brand new Ford Raptor to make this thing look sick as it already is? So we did the ADD front bumper, all the Baja lights, the RPG adjustable spring collar kits, and we wrapped it in matte ice titanium red. And one of you has a chance to be taking this thing home with $60,000 in cash. So if you want to learn more about how you could take this thing home, in the description below, we have a link where it'll take you to our website. Choose anything you like and you're automatically entered in to win the 2025 Ford Raptor and the $60,000 in cash. Like I said, Casey is in Chicago looking at another car right now, so stay tuned because this one is going to be crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.